ever noticed this? In your mind, your English sounds fluent, but the moment you speak, it feels a little awkward. If that happens to you, this video is exactly for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to day 10 of my 30-day English speaking series. Today we will talk about how to sound more natural while speaking English. Why natural English feels hard? Most of us learned English from rules and grammar books. So when we speak, we try to be correct instead of comfortable. That's why our English feels heavy. Natural English is light, it flows. Quick pattern break. Let me ask you something. Do you stop mid sentence just to correct grammar? If yes, keep listening. Think in ideas, not sentences. Here's a small shift that makes a big difference. Don't think in full sentences. Think in ideas. When your focus is on meaning, your English comes out more naturally. Sound human, not perfect. Natural English is not perfect English. Native speakers repeat words, pause, change sentences midway, and that's normal. You don't need to sound perfect, you need to sound human. Pauses make you confident. Pauses are powerful. They give time, they give clarity, they give confidence. So, next time you pause, don't panic. Use small connectors, words like so, well, actually. These small words connect your thoughts and make your English smoother. Practice with real life. Want natural English? Talk about your daily life, your morning, your work, your thoughts. Real topics create real English. Reassurance moment. Mistakes will happen, but mistakes don't stop conversations. Fear does. This was day 10 of my 30-day English speaking series. If you practiced today, comment day 10 done. Speak calmly, speak naturally, keep improving. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.